Good morning. It is just caught it. If you missed it, you can go back and take it back the video 5 seconds, and you'll see me get the exit point there. Just made a trade here on PTI. This is all pre-market trading. Market doesn't open up for another. I need to stop talking. Put out another order at 525. But this is all pre-market trading. Market doesn't open up for about 15 minutes. And I was watching. I already got one on YECO2 for $70. And I thought, you know, I got some time this morning. Why not do a live trade video? So as I was getting things set up, I got filled. And then I just got things recording. You saw me get filled right at the very beginning of this. So I guess captured, I think that might be the quickest trade ever, although I didn't capture the entry point. But, you know, that is the current status of things. Again, market still doesn't open up for about 15 minutes, but I've made a couple of trades already. And I'm looking to potentially get more of YECO or PTI if they want to pull back. So I will keep you posted, but if not, I'll see you back at the open. Have order at 580 here on PTI. Just what an absolute monster this has been. Don't want to chase it though, but if it wants to come back to me, then that's what I'd be willing to do. Excuse me, 581 is the entry point. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. Let's see if it can break down through 6. All right, I will go ahead and pause. All right, there's potentially the break of 6. Okay, there it is. And then back up above 6. So I'm going to pause. And there it goes again. Just keeps on booming. What a monster this thing has been. All right, well, not looking like 571, 581. That area is going to occur. All right, PTI looking like 571 might be coming back into play. Market still doesn't open up for about 7 minutes. Kind of hard. I'm trying to keep an eye on YECO and then PTI. So if I do miss, you know, either of those entry points, I can only keep so much on the screen at once. But right now it's looking like PTI has a chance, so I'll keep a closer eye on it. Okay, making a move down. Now 580 area is being pretty stubborn. I will pause. Market opens up in less than 2 minutes. I'm going to watch YECO out of the opening gates, but keep an eye on the order position of the screen. So down here, and if you see any of the PTI orders turn green, that means I've gotten filled. But like I said, we're going to watch YECO. So help me look, make sure that I don't miss getting filled potentially on PTI. But now market opens in less than a minute, so I'll keep you updated. Okay, I have an order at 1401 on YECO. Gapped up in this order down here at 10. Just cancel that out. Okay, I got those for my opening order. Well, wow, that fast and out. Let's go to 1375. So we'll see if it can pull back there. Going for the break of 14. I will pause it and keep you posted. Currently, YECO is halted. So one of these were good old Uncle Sam. It's got to protect us all. So, yep, now they got halts going on with it. I'll still potentially try to trade it, but I unfortunately now have to be a little bit more careful with it, just because I don't want to get stuck in a halt. But that I am choosing to still potentially trade it. So at the end of the day, if I do get stuck in a halt, it's nobody's fault but mine. But yeah, I still think halts are one of the dumbest things ever, but I won't go down that pathway. And we are open. So 1501, represented by that green line, is where my near-term order is. So if it looks like it's going to potentially get down there, I'll get the video rolling. Okay, making a move down below 16. Again, 1501 is the entry point. I am in for my first entry point and out. So let's go to 1425 now. So 14.25 now my newest entry point, or my newest first original entry point, I should say. Okay, never mind. I'm going to keep it down at 13.15 now, given, remember, I am looking at other things that you do not see on this chart, so that's why the choice to just back off, although I don't think it ever got down to 14.35 as low as it got, and I was at 14.25, so wouldn't have been filled anyways. But 13.15, my next entry point, if this pullback wants to continue, I will keep you updated. But as you saw there, that was a very quick, I don't know what it was, 19 cents there in almost a blink of an eye. So yeah, let's see if it wants to pull back or if this thing's going to consolidate out. All right, have an order to short at 51.65 here on CGC. Quite the move, as you can see, is occurring right now. So first entry point up there at, again, 51.65. And we'll see if it can work its way up through 51.50 or not. That'll be the key break. I'll keep you updated on that. Still have my 13.15 order out there on YECO. And another halt is coming. So we'll watch this until it halts, and there is a halt right there. So that's CGC is back to life again. So let's pull up this one. How did I know that was halted? Well, that's just one small little example of what you learn within my courses. 51.95. Let's see, double checking. So 51.95 is now going to be my new initial short order here. Initial, I say, because I would like more than 500 shares, but I'm just going to dip my toes in the water at 51.95. So we'll see if it can make its way up there or not. Looks like it's moving, so I'll keep the video rolling here, see if we can keep on working its way up there. There it goes. It's trying. Oh, and it just stopped. All right, I'm going to go up to 52.15 now at this point. Like I said, I am watching things on other screens, so keep that in mind. But let's see if we can get the break of 52 here. And there is the break. Oh, come on. Give me 50 shares. Awesome. So I got out at 52.01 there. What did that equate to? $7. All right. Going Lambo shopping tonight. Didn't Lambo come out with like a new SUV or something like that? I don't know. But that's what I'm going to go buy tonight. All right, let's go 52.45. Just double checking. So we'll start the process over there again, if this upwards move wants to continue. But yeah, the good old partial share got me. Right there. I wanted 500, but it gave me 50. But that does occur. Just part of the territory of trading. But yeah, 52.45. Let's go check on YECO real quick. Okay, that one is still halted. So, and this one's coming back to life. Again, 52.45 is what I'm looking for. Let's see if it can push up there. There we go. Just need a little bit more of a surge. Now it's kind of pausing. Oh, so close. Hit 52.37. And back down it goes again. All right, I will pause. And another halt. And there it was once again. So YCO, thank you, Uncle Sam, for totally ruining a good thing. I appreciate you looking out for all of us and making sure that all of us adults don't do anything bad. So thanks, Uncle Sam. Yes. Can you tell I'm not a huge fan of all these stupid little regulations like this? Okay, it's back open, but looking like another halt is coming. I mean, this thing was open literally like 2 seconds, and now it's looking like a halt, and there's another halt again. Literally opened, I hit record, and then all of a sudden I'm talking about the halt, which once again happened. Put an order down here at 13.15, but I'll just cancel that out. And yeah, it's looking like the party's over on this one, just because of the government decided to say no more. Have an order at 4.51 here on CCCL. Not very familiar with this one, so I'm not gonna get too fancy with it or anything, but 4.51. Try to buy here on the pullback. All right, I'm going to just cancel that. I'm going to move this to 4.27. And yeah, I will keep you updated. All right, have an order at 4.61, represented by that green line right there. Okay, got in there. Have another order at 4.27. But it decided to just give me the quick 9 cents, which equated to 45, but still have the order down there at, like I said, 4.27. So that's represented by that green line right there. So another quick $45. Again, like I said, I'm not very familiar with this one, so just kind of dipping my toes in the water here. But I will look to continue to buy this pullback here. Next initial entry point again at 4.27. YECO back open, but I'm scared to touch it at this point. I may be interested later on if this thing proves it can trade for more than 7 seconds without getting halted. But for the time being, as much as I'd like to try to get involved with it again, yeah, those halts are just make things too sketchy right now. But I'll keep an eye on it. Still have an order for CCCL at 4.27. But as far as this one is concerned, a little too nerve-wracking right now, but we'll see what happens. All right, going for some shares here at 7.80. Looking like I have a good chance at potentially building a bigger, or just getting my $25 bill. Let's go for another $25 bill. I always equate these types of trades. If I was walking down the street and I, passed by a $25 bill sitting on the ground, would I reach over and pick it up? I can only speak for myself, but I would. I mean, $25 for just the effort of bending over to pick it up seems well worth it to me. So we'll see if I can pick up another one of those or not. Okay, making a move. I'm in. There's my $25 bill once again. Let's go down to 7.51. Now again, I'd like more than 500 shares, but I mean, if it's going to give me the quick $25 bill, then I will gladly take it. That's the point here, is I'm still looking to build a bigger position, but I'm also not going to just turn away a quick $25. So next initial entry at 7.51. So we'll see if it can pull back there or not. Oh wow, we're at 14 minutes already. All right, have an order on SEE. I'm not very familiar with this one at all. I don't know if I've ever traded this one, but it's making a move here. Initial order at 33.47. We'll see if it can move up there. Okay, looking to pick up some CCCL at 5.01. We'll let you know if I get those filled or not. Okay, 5.51, looking to pick up some shares, just 500. And it's looking like it may be leaving me in the dust. All right, seems so. Never mind. All right, let's see if 551 can get hit here. Big move to the upside, and now it is pulling back from that move. All right, maybe coming back into play here. Okay, got those at 551. We'll look up to pick up some more at 501. I got those. Looking like I'm going to be able to get some more down here at 475. Have sell orders at 530 and 535. Okay, I got those out at 530. And those out at 535. Shoot. Wish I would have gotten some down at 475, but I'm going to keep that order down there. Let's see if we can, if this pullback wants to continue. Actually, I'm going to go to 451, seeing the chart. So let me double check. There we go. So we'll look to start the process all over again. The green line there represents the entry point. So let's see if it can flush down there a little bit more. But let's see, now I'm up, what, 110 on that one. So for the day at 447, and it's 10:26, so not even an hour into the day, and up 450 bucks. I'll take it. All right, I apologize. I am in and got to get out there. At AA, I got in at 40.65 and just got out there at 40.53 for a $60 move. I turned my head for 1 second. And I was in, but I need to stop talking. And we'll go to 40.85 for the next entry point. So we'll see if it can get up there or not, but that's now putting me over $500. So 500 bucks in basically an hour, I'll take it. I'm not sure of many other quote unquote jobs, if you want to call this a job, out there that pay 500 bucks in an hour, but I am very pleased with it. Might not be done yet, so we'll see if we can capture one more trade, but the recording's now going over 17.5 minutes, so I will shut up and see if we can get one more trade. And it is pulling back now, so looking like 40.85 will not be in play. But I'm going to wrap things up. Like I said, $500 in essentially an hour. Before I go, though, if you want me to keep making these videos, if you enjoy them, the easiest way to communicate that to me, click that like button and then subscribe to the channel. Lots of other content on the channel itself. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other quality traders, I do offer a live trading room. You can go to claytrader.com, and that's called the Inner Circle. The cost is $99 per year. Pull out the calculator, do the math. You'll see that it breaks down to $8.25 a month or $1.90 per week. So truly no excuses. It is definitely more than fair as far as pricing is concerned. And as I say every week, and will continue to say, over the time span of 12 months, I am very confident you'll get at least $99 worth of value. And finally, if you are interested in learning how to trade with charts and technical analysis like you see, then again, claytrader.com, I offer many online video courses on that. If there's any questions or anything, let me know down in the comment section or reach out to me through the site. But again, if nothing else, and you just want to keep watching these videos and want me to keep making them, then like I said, communicate that to me by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.